Hey everybody, it is the Honey Badger here, and today we are working more on the 720's interior, this time swapping seats. We've already done this once in a video. I'll leave you a link down below in the description to that one. We originally put these ones in instead of and took the stock ones out. These were dirty, so we cleaned them. They're still not perfectly clean because they're quite old too. These came out of a junkyard in an Isuzu Rodeo, and they're direct bolt matching, bottom side. They're the exact same of what is stock in the 720. So really easy to put these in and was really a good price too, coming from a junkyard. So these are decent and they held up okay, but now they don't match the interior now that we've updated that. And we're gonna go with something that matches better. Now this is a little bit of a racier type of seat because this came actually out of one of my autocross cars. So these are racier than you'd normally probably put up into a pickup. They're gonna be a little harder to get into because they have so much side support, but they're gonna look a lot nicer with the new interior. They're a lot cleaner and better looking seat too. These are a little worn out. These are actually gonna be more comfortable to sit in once you get into them, but crawling in and out of them is going to be annoying because of that side support extra that these obviously don't have. But this will be a nice upgrade. These are gonna look a lot nicer. This is going to be the world's slowest race truck, as now I'm going to call it, because it's got racing seats in it. So a little bit ridiculous, but they're going to be nicer and it's going to look better. So we're going to do that. All we need to do is get the other seat out of the pickup. We need to get our rails or our actual mounting brackets specifically for this chair from Sparco, get those mounted up to the bottom of this so we can then go and put them in to the pickup and get it mounted away. But should be pretty simple, should be a nice upgrade as well and look a hell of a lot nicer too. Let's just get into it. Bit of a prediction before we install completely. These are going to be incredibly hard to get bolts into because they are actually below the rest of the bracket. And I understand that this piece, probably the same on every Sparco seat, so all the rails mount the exact same. But this almost needs like a hole drilled in it. God, but see the rails in the way. Yeah, the spots for the actual 720 are just bad, so these are just going to be hard to get to. So that's going to be a bit of a struggle. Probably off camera because that's gonna suck. So, but we'll get it. The front should be easy. And there we go, we have the Sparco seats officially in the vehicle. They don't perfectly match because of the blue inserts on the seats, but they do kind of match with the headliner because it is technically the old blue. But overall, these are a nice addition to the pickup. They are a lot more comfortable than what was in there. The only thing that's not great is those side bolsters are quite tall, so getting in and out of it is a little annoying. So long term, these probably aren't going to stay in the vehicle. I'll probably do a different Sparco seat and sell these ones off. But for now, this is definitely a nice little upgrade and looks a lot nicer too. It's been a couple months since these have been in the vehicle, so I've had a chance to use them quite a bit. But overall, I do like them a lot more and they look a lot nicer and fit a lot better with all the other new interior bits. So check out the videos for the other interior bits that I did, like the carpet and the kill mat, and then the door cards that we did. We have a new steering wheel video that I'll be working on soon. The wheel's actually in, just got that put in, so excited about that. That's also helped tie some things together and get things updated. Drop a like on the video, guys, and check out the links below. Let me know what content you'd like to see too. We have some stuff coming up for other vehicles, this truck as well, and then maybe some garage updates. We've installed a heater and a TV and a console in there, so let me know what you guys would like to see. Leave me some comments, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.